Would you like your favorite MP3 music to be converted to iPhone compatible ringtones? Now you can make your own iPhone ringtones and get them synchronized to your iPhone. www.iwfr.net. Free ringtone composer. Create free iPhone ringtone. First, select your MP3 file on your computer, then click Upload. This means the upload process was successful. Edit the ringtone format to .m4r, which is compatible with iPhone. Cut down the part you like to be your ringtone. Adjust volume of the ringtone. Now the ringtone file is ready to download. Remember, the ringtone must be less than 30 seconds. Double-click the ringtone file you just downloaded. It will load automatically into iTunes in the ringtone section. Click Sync to begin syncing the ringtone to your iPhone. It's on your iPhone now. www.iwfr.net. Free ringtone composer. Create free iPhone ringtones.